even in Islam, if you kidnap somebody,
ọ̀rọ̀ yìí yà mí lẹ́nu pé ó lè jáde láti ẹnu Apostle Sulaiman tó ń ṣàlàyé ìdájọ́ Islam fún àwọn ajínigbé bandit.
hostage, you carry the person, you keep the person hostage, and after a while you release. I'm telling you the laws of Islam. You release the person to go. Islam says you should be an outcast. You didn't touch the person, you didn't do anything, you didn't collect ransom. You should be an outcast. In other words, they should cast you out, they should throw you out. Number two, if you kidnap the person and you collected ransom, Islam, that you took money before you release the person, you took the person's freedom before you release the person. Islam says they should cut your body parts adjacent. If they cut your right hand, they should cut your left leg. If they cut your left hand, they should cut your right leg. I'm telling you what Islam says. Number three, if you now carry the person, you kidnap the person, take ransom and kill, Islam says you should be crucified, not just killed. You should be in a way that the earth has rejected you. So if Christianity is against it, Islam is against it, under which religion are you doing what you are doing? If Christianity is against it, Islam is against it, under what religion are you carrying people for money? You that is an informant, you have a greater sin. These people are not spirits. It is people giving them informations. Why? So that they can give you a cut of it. What a curse. Because of paper. Money is paper. Money is paper with dead men's pictures. In your currency, which person is alive there? In that your currency. So money is an obituary paper accepted as a legal tender. Money is an